and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Sonia from Nunez Crafty Life. In today's video, I'll be using the We Are Memory Keepers all-in-one tool to create a cute and festive banner perfect for Valentine's Day. If you haven't heard of the Worked all-in-one tool, let me tell you all about it. It's a paper trimmer and scoreboard that allows you to make banners, tabs, envelopes, paper tags, etc. You can even make bows, tassels, and pom-poms with it. And one of my favorite features included is the stamp tool, which helps with precision stamping. Basically, this is a paper crafter's dream come true. And this is what it looks like on the back. It comes with this guide, which has all the printed measurements that you will need and instructions. There's also these two magnets, a scoring tool, and some pegs. And this actually also extends up to 14 inches. So for my banner, I'll be using a sheet of white cardstock, a double-sided pink textured sheet of cardstock, and a gold sheet of foil paper. First, I cut my white cardstock into 4 pieces measuring 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Then I repeated this with my pink cardstock measuring 3 by 3 inches. Then taking the guide, I lined up the banner arrows just like so. According to the guide, I needed to align the 3-inch cardstock pieces at 1 1/8 inch and then trim. And then flip and repeat the same step to create this triangle shape. And what's super cool about this is that all the measurements are written down for you, so you don't have to worry about forgetting them. Now follow the same steps with the 3.5-inch cardstock, but align them at 1 1/2 inch. Now using my crafter's tape, I'm going to glue the 2 pieces together just like so. Once that's done, it's time to add the holes, and yes, you can punch holes using the all-in-one tool. It's hard to see, but there are guides on the tool itself that make it easy to keep everything aligned and uniform. Next, I used my Cricut Joy to cut out the letters for my banner. I really wish I had the We Are Memory Keepers alphabet punch board. Then this could have been an entire project using only We Are Memory Keepers products. Perhaps a future purchase? What do you guys think? Should I buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Now taking some foam tape from the Dollar Tree, I cut pieces to attach to the backs of my letters. Foam tape really adds a nice effect to your projects, so I highly recommend you use it if you aren't already. Then I remove the backing and attach the letters to my banner pieces. I found this 3-pack of yarn at, you guessed it, the Dollar Tree, and decided to add some tassels to my banner. So taking the pegs stored at the bottom, I placed one in the spot labeled D, one in G, and the last in H. I know it's hard to see, but the board itself is labeled. Then taking my yarn, I tied a knot around the first peg and then wrap the yarn around the other 2 pegs. The more you wrap it, the fuller your tassel will be. I wrapped mine for about 8 times. Then I cut the yarn and tied it to the first peg. I cut another piece of yarn and tied my tassel just like so. I then removed it from the pegs and used a pen to hold all the loops while I shaped my tassel. I removed the knots at the bottom and used scissors to trim the bottom loops. I repeated this step with the hot pink yarn. Then, taking one of my pegs, I used it as a weight to help me string some twine through the tassel. Finally, I strung the rest of my banner. And here is a look at the final product. I think this looks super cute for Valentine's Day and love how easy it was to create it. If you're looking for a new paper crafting tool, I would highly recommend this one. I purchased mine from Michael's, but I'm sure you can find it at other craft stores. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and of course, I would love it if you subscribed. Thanks for watching.